In an online-based era where a vast majority of purchases are made online, businesses all around the world have taken the revolutionary leap from billboard advertising to digital advertising. Digital marketing is just not a trending marketing tool. It's the most effective form of marketing that has been discovered to date, and the results are extremely visible. With the aid of digital marketing, businesses have outreached marketing limitations and discovered immense profits from online leads. Digital marketing is much more than meets the eye. It's the miracle of advanced technology that has helped businesses all around the world to flourish. But that leads us to the question of how exactly does digital marketing work? What are the mechanics and key aspects behind the marketing wonder? We will be answering your questions in this video and help you learn the depth of what is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's begin with defining what digital marketing is. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a means of attaining business goals through the aid of digital platforms by promoting the business's products or services. The term has gained immense popularity over the past few years, and now is one of the most frequently used term everywhere, including small and large businesses. Some of the most well-known strategies of digital marketing are search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, website marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, SMM, email marketing, affiliate marketing. Online advertising comes in many forms. Knowing which set of digital tools to use for your specific business could help you plan accordingly and meet your marketing targets efficiently. Digital marketing uses various strategies to reach one key goal through different routes. Think of digital marketing as a company. The strategies are the employees of the company who work in different departments. All employees work for the same organization with one motive: to make the business successful. Similarly, all digital marketing strategies work together to generate traffic, create awareness, and transform leads into loyal customers for the business. That being said, let's dive deeper into more details about the 7 major digital marketing strategies that we have mentioned earlier. 1. Search engine optimization. Every time you need to know or purchase something, the first thing you do is search it up on the Google search engine. When the results are delivered, a consumer usually finds what they are looking for on the first or second page of Google search. That's where SEO comes into play. Making your website SEO friendly is one of the most important steps in digital marketing. Without optimizing your website to be search engine friendly, you will be left behind in the searches and miss the opportunity to grab potential leads and exposure to your business. It does take time, effort, and patience to generate organic traffic to your website, but if you don't want to pay to appear on the first page of Google search engine, then SEO is the way to go. SEO is free to implement and increases the site's traffic gradually over time. 2. Pay-per-click advertising. In simple words, every time a user clicks on your advertised ad, you would have to pay for the number of clicks. It's the easiest and quickest way to gain traffic to your website. The traffic received through this method is not considered organic. Nonetheless, it's still important to use PPC advertising, as SEO takes time to work to bring in organic traffic. 3. Website marketing. Your website is one of the biggest marketing assets that could help your potential customers find what they're looking for and make the final purchase. An average buyer spends a significant amount of time on a website before moving on to make the final decision of buying. Your responsibility is to provide an excellent user experience that keeps your customer on your website for longer. They should easily find information on their desired products and services. Your website represents your business, so make sure you put a good impression on your visitors. While creating a website, keep in mind about your site's graphics, design, and overall layout. Make sure it is mobile friendly, because that is where most consumers are. 4. Content marketing. Content marketing holds a valuable place in the digital marketing world. Whatever online marketing strategy you may have, without content marketing you won't be able to build the customer base, brand, and engage your target audience into having an interest in your business. Basically, content marketing is about promoting your business through interacting with your customers and convincing them to make a purchase. Some forms of content marketing are videos, testimonials, ebooks, podcasts, infographics, blog posts, social media posts, and the list goes on. All of these could contribute to being a part of your digital marketing campaign that helps to build awareness among consumers about the business. 5. Social media marketing. One of the most trending and effective forms of digital marketing is social media. The revolutionary change that social media has brought to the table of business marketing is incomparable. With the ever-growing number of social media users around the world, it's mind-boggling how much exposure your business could get. And with all the consumers' behavioral data, You are not going to throw darts in the dark for successful marketing. Social media is your golden ticket to preach about your products and services, while being in touch with your potential customers on a platform in which they spend the majority of their time. Apart from providing customer service, you can use social media to run ad campaigns, contests, create creative and engaging content, and could even become viral. 6. Email marketing. According to Forbes, an average person checks their mail 15 times a day, but the number could be more. Email marketing may not be the primary source to generate fresh leads to your business, but it is more often used as a form of communication with your customer who has liked your services or products and has chosen to subscribe to your business updates. Your chances of succeeding in making loyal customers who keep repurchasing from you increase through email marketing. Most businesses use email marketing to send weekly newsletters, promotional offers, and updates about their products and services. 7. Affiliate marketing. This form of marketing involves having a brand ambassador for your business who helps to engage with potential consumers and recommend the services and products of your business for a commission or pay. You could even reach out to influencers and successful individuals in the digital marketing world and pay them to promote your business to a large number of audience. Having a better understanding of how each segment of digital marketing can contribute to your business will help you determine the structure of digital marketing you would want to create and execute. So far we have learned about what digital marketing is, how it works, and the various digital marketing tools that businesses use. To make digital marketing work for your business, you must create a strategy that is unique to your business's needs. Internet marketing is not one size fits all. You could use a few or all of the tools combined for your digital marketing campaign depending on your business category, your preferred audience, business objectives, and your business size. By using the right form of digital marketing, you will be able to attract the intended audience to your business, build awareness, engage them, and shorten the buyer's journey. Figuring out the world of digital marketing for the first time might be overwhelming, and that's very normal. No one said you have to do it all by yourself. This is NorbyPole TV. Please subscribe to this channel, comment, and share this video with your friends.